Um, I try speak English because I'm not living here, but I'm very proud, also very coming here, confess to all my Tibetan brother and sister. So for me, I feel one part of I'm very feel shame because Chinese government. So Chinese government is I should say it's my government. They do, especially this half year. It's and the past 53 years, more and more, and so terrible and so hurt situation happening in Tibetan place. Yeah, in all situation is happening, and also we know more and more Chinese people in China. We cannot get real information about past 53 years, and especially since 2008 until now. It's what's happening in Tibetan. It's Tibetan cultural, Tibetan writer, Tibetan religion, and all Tibetan area. It's like now it's a situation. Like it's like another West place. So this situation happening. Also, I still have to say. It's the Chinese government is wrong. They did this one, and also it's the Chinese army. They did. Not it's Chinese like me and all behind me it's Chinese intellectual. Most Chinese, I think so. If they know, they get freedom and real free information. They know this whole situation. They all have to say we have to ask this Chinese government stop to all things in Tibetan, especially this 26. So like a brother and a sister, they are in self-immolation in past this half years. So that situation, I feel it's a very serious and a very dangerous situation. So I really want it's through German media, through all international society, we can try ask Chinese government so can stop this all violence, also stop this all situation. I should give people some my wish, especially for our writer organization, for exile and in China's independent writer. So we all know journalists, they are in jail. They are lost freedom just because they writing their own language, they writing their own history. They want to tell outside the truth. This truth very, very important. I think after this all situation faced to outside, also after this whole situation, then me and all Chinese people, they get more and more know. We should say we all support. I all support free Tibetan, or support Tibetan writer, and especially I should say Dalai Lama in our society, in all Chinese people inside, especially we have mind persons inside. He's our great, it's honor, he's give this whole world is peace and also tell all world what's happening in today's Tibetan. So I think so. This situation also can give our Chinese society, give our Chinese writer and Chinese intellectual society, give our more and more information. We should know what's happening. Also, I should tell people, it's my like Tibetan writer sister. It's Wei Se and her husband. It's Wang Lixiong. Wei Se now is house arrest in Beijing with her husband. So she is most important independent. It's literature and it truly voice from inside China's representative. It's Tibetan. He tell us it's a lot of new situation, what's happening in China, in Tibetan area. He writing Chinese, tell all our, it's a writer and international society, his feeling, his suggestion, and he tell us which happening in Tibetan. We through his website, we through his book, we through her, from her and her husband's all information. So we know in whole situation happening in Tibetan. So today, I think it's a very important moment. Today I see in here not so many Chinese, but since I decided coming here with all my Tibetan brother and sister together in here, it's protest against its Chinese government is do these things. They all tell me they are all in beyond and with you together. We all think your pin is our pin. Your pin is also my pin. So we all think we have to together ask the Chinese government and Chinese this regime. They can through its international, it's give them its heavy ask and critics. They can stop today's, in Tibetan area the situation. This is I want to give all. Today here's my Tibetan brother and sister. Also, I should say, I should tell all the situation to our society. Especially we have to through internet website, have to make a phone call, tell inside the Chinese people and friends. We all have to say today's situation all because our regime, they did these things. So if we can do something, can do more, we should do. Also, in today's situation, behind, front of me, have 26. It's my brother and my sister, especially in these few months, they all so pain. I should ask, they are not have any more. It's you have to against and you do your real things against this local regime and this regime. Not it's self-immolation. This is so big. So also I feel this is my Chinese is a shame because our government do this. So I should give you this. I should give this say we do wrong. Also I wish it's no more people. It's a self-immolation. So I should give you all my this feeling. Sorry. I wish not happening any people they lost their life. Not only in Tibet, also in China, another place. So I should tell you, I support, I wish you all my life together until this regime, someday they change also, someday they stop this one. I want immediately, as soon as possible. Thank you all my Tibetan brother and sister. Thank you. Yeah.
So